Rain 2025. First name, Ji-hoon. Family name, Jeong. Native name. Also known as, by Rain, Jung Ji-hoon. Gender, male. Born, June 25, 1982. Age, 43 years, 2025. Place of birth, Seosan-si, South Korea. Nationality, South Korean. Education. Kyunghee University, Seoul Campus. Dankook University. Professions. Actor and model. Composer and record producer. Dancer and songwriter. Singer-songwriter and designer. Film actor and arranger. Choreographer. Net worth. As of 2025, Rain, Jung Ji-hoon, has an estimated net worth ranging from $100 million to $1 million, depending on the source. Salary. While a specific per episode salary for Rain, Jung Ji-hoon, is not publicly available. Rain. Blood type, O. Zodiac sign, Cancer. Religion, Christianity. Height, 184 centimeters, 6'0". Weight, 74 kilograms, 162 pounds. Hair color, black. Eye color, dark brown. Rain drama and upcoming drama, only main role. 1. Orange, 2002. 2. Sang-do, Let's Go to School, 2003. 3. Full House, 2004. 4. A Love to Kill, 2005. 5. The Fugitive, Plan B, 2010. 6. My Lovely Girl, 2014. 7. Diamond Lover, 2015. 8. Please Come Back, Mr., 2016. 9. Diamond Lover, Special Cut, 2017. 10. Sketch, 2018. 11. Welcome to Life, 2019. 12. Ghost Doctor, 2022. 13. Red Swan, 2024. 14. Bloodhound Season 2, 2026. 15. Endless August, TBA. Years active, 1998 or present. Agent, Rain, Jung Ji-hoon, is currently represented by Sublime Artist Agency and also operates his own company, RAN Company. Family. Rain, Jung Ji-hoon, was born to a South Korean family and has one younger sister. His mother passed away in 2000 due to diabetes-related complications. Father. While less publicly discussed, Rain's father has occasionally appeared in media, especially during Rain's early career. Rain, Jung Ji-hoon, is married to actress Kim Tae-hee. They tied the knot in January 2017 and have 2 daughters together. Car and house. Car. Rain, Jung Ji-hoon, is known to own a luxurious Bentley Continental GT, reflecting his taste for high-end vehicles. House. Rain and his wife Kim Tae-hee live in a luxurious 3-story mansion in Itaewon, Seoul, valued at approximately 5 billion Korean wons, around $4.2 million. The home spans 3,500 square feet and was featured on a Korean variety show in 2021. please subscribe my channel. Thank you for subscribe.